Unlocking the meaning of on a final note. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might come across in both written and spoken English, on a final note. This expression is commonly used, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your own conversations or writings? Stay tuned as we explore this together, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. On a final note is a phrase that signals the conclusion of a discussion, speech, or written piece. It's a way to introduce the last point, thought, or piece of advice. Think of it as saying, before we finish, here is something important to remember. It's a cue that the speaker or writer is about to sum up their message or provide a concluding thought that they deem significant. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In presentations or speeches, to introduce the final point or summary. In meetings or discussions, as a way to offer a closing thought or a call to action. In essays or articles, to lead into the concluding remarks. In casual conversations, to emphasize a final piece of advice or comment. It's important to use this phrase when you have something impactful to say at the end of your discourse. It prepares your audience for a takeaway message. Let's look at some examples to see how, on a final note, can be effectively used. On a final note, always remember that hard work pays off. Thank you for attending my presentation. We've covered several strategies today, but on a final note, I'd like to emphasize the importance of teamwork. On a final note, be kind to yourself and others. That's the thought I want to leave you with today. These examples show how the phrase can transition your audience to your concluding thought, reinforcing the importance of your final message. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use on a final note in various contexts. It's a powerful phrase that can help you conclude your speeches, writings, or conversations with a meaningful and impactful statement. Remember, it's all about leaving your audience with something to ponder or act upon as you wrap up your discourse. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own English communications. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.